Every 24 hours, women are faced with hundreds of decisions. What strategies can they use to consistently determine the good, better, and best choices as they face daily issues and challenges? How can they make their minutes count and feel great about the results when the day ends? From years of asking these very questions herself, Elizabeth has put together proven guidelines for making the best possible choices when it comes to starting the day right so priorities stay on track, eliminating time wasters and negative thoughts and attitudes, paying attention to food and fitness for more energy and better health, setting goals for getting things done, planning more effectively, and finishing well. Women will love the hundreds of helpful tips and biblical insights in this book, all designed to help them experience greater productivity and spiritual blessing. A Woman's Guide to Making Right Choices by Elizabeth George.